Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a garden ABCD and length AB, the arc length, and DC are arcs of two different circles but with the same center O. Okay? So to make it even clearer, I'm going to color code it. The longer length AB, the radius is 9. Okay, so I'm going to use the 9. While the shorter arc length of DC is, the radius is 5. Okay, so you will then see Mr. Tan to find the perimeter ABCD. Then you will see this, and for your info, also length AD, since it is radius, right? So what do you think AD and BC, how do I find this? Very good. You can see it because this is 5 and the whole thing is 9. So right, step 1, AD is equals to BC is equals to 9 minus 5, 4 cm. So I have 4 here and 4 here. Then the blue color and the green color, later you will see, I will have to then, when I find the perimeter, ABCD, you will then see the blue color is the arc length AB plus green color arc CD. Also need to add the 4 and the 4. Okay, so let's see. We are given the 80 degrees already, right? So it's 80 degrees divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi. The radius is 9 for arc AB. As for the green color arc CD, it is also 80 degrees, but the radius is not 9, it's 5. So this is something for you all to be careful of. Of course, we still need to add the 4 and the 4. And this will give me a value of 27.548 to about 5 significant figure, followed by final answer 27.5 meter, 3SF. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.